Environment Technologies is pleased to present the DCC Dual Channel Controller. The DCC is a comprehensive and dependable, self-contained single or dual channel controller. It is designed for monitoring toxic, oxygen, combustible, and refrigerant gases in a wide variety of applications. The DCC is the big brother to the SCC and offers more value-added features such as a display, a menu system, analog output, and more sensor options. The DCC has 6 conduit entry ports, a field-selectable internal audible alarm, 2 5-amp SPDT dry contact relays with field-configurable time delays and trigger levels for control functions, and an LCD digital display with LED indicators for power, channel alarm status, and fault conditions. Configuring the settings for the DCC are done through an easy-to-navigate, password-protected menu structure. There are 2 4 to 20 mA outputs and 1 configurable 4 to 20 mA input that allows you to combine the DCC with a remote sensor or remote 4 to 20 mA transmitter. An extra loud door-mounted buzzer is available for noisy environment applications and is also available in a watertight version. The standard water and dust-tight polycarbonate enclosure has a hinged secured door and is corrosion resistant. With the optional factory-installed splash guard, it is IP54 rated and protected in washdown or water spray applications. The DCC is powered by either 24-volt AC/DC or 90 to 240 AC line voltage, and there is lots of space inside the housing, which provides ample room for wiring. The DCC can be configured to simultaneously monitor toxic, oxygen, combustible, and/or refrigerant gas types depending on the internal and remote sensor configurations. Single-channel configurations include 1 internal electrochemical sensor, or 1 ESH remote catalytic or solid-state sensor, or 1 remote 4 to 20 mA transmitter. 2-channel configurations include 2 internal electrochemical sensors, of which 1 must be CO, or 1 internal electrochemical sensor and 1 ESH remote catalytic or solid-state sensor, or 1 remote 4 to 20 mA transmitter. The DCC has been designed for many types of gas detection applications, such as in a small to mid-sized car park or parking garage where VFD control is required, and gas and diesel power vehicles are common. The DCC can be configured with 2 internal electrochemical sensors, 1 CO and 1 NO2. An alternate configuration, depending on the gases to be monitored, may necessitate the DCC to be set up with 1 internal CO or NO2 sensor and a remote ESH combustible sensor, such as propane. The 4 to 20 mA output signal from the DCC can be used to run the fans at variable speeds. A splash guard can be factory installed on the ESH remote sensor housing and/or the DCC to provide protection in washdown or water spray applications. For an indoor pool application, where chlorine is being used to disinfect the water, a DCC should be mounted outside the chlorine feed room, configured to communicate with a remote LPTA transmitter with a chlorine sensor mounted inside the room. If there is a leak, the relays can be configured to operate the ventilation system as per the local regulation codes and activate a remote strobe. Continuous monitoring of refrigerants in a chiller room may be set up with a DCC outside the chiller room door with a top-mounted strobe and an infrared refrigerant ART transmitter installed inside the room. If a leak is detected, the ART will communicate with the DCC, and the appropriate alarms, LED indicators, and relays will activate as configured. The DCC conforms to CSA C22.2, UL 508, EMC Directive EN 61010, and FCC Part 15. If you would like more information about the DCC, contact your authorized dealer, regional sales manager, or any other member of our team at critical-environment.com or 1-877-940-8741.